Hey everyone, today we bought groceries for our family from ALDI. Let me show you what I bought. 1 bag of the restaurant style tortilla chips, 2 loaves of the honey wheat bread, 1 bag of the everything bagels, 1 container of whipped cream cheese spread, 2 containers of the sour cream, 1 white chocolate mocha coffee creamer, 1 dried apricots, 1 dried mangoes, 1 gallon of 2% milk, 4 bags of steamed California medley, 2 bags of the steamed broccoli stir fry, 2 bags of the Asian season medley, 1 3-snack pack of the protein snack selects. Has 10 grams of protein, and it comes with the natural sharp cheddar cheese and honey brown sugar turkey sausage bites. 4 bags of the broccoli forays, 2 dozen eggs, 1 can of chicken, Colby Jack cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese, 2 shells and cheddar cheese box, 1 jar of the sweet relish, 1 can of sweet peas, 2 cans of sliced carrots, 1 Casamine vitamin D orange juice for those of us who do not like to chew our orange juice for breakfast, and 1 high pulp orange juice for those of us who do. 1 box of the wild caught crunchy fish fillets. There are 10 fillets per box. They look like this. 1/2 gallon of lactose free milk, 2%, and last but not least, 1 iced coffee s'mores flavor.